What's up, guys? This is Bosko, and today I am going to do an unboxing of the Apple Watch Gray Sport Band I just bought from the Apple Store about a few minutes ago. And here's the front of it. This is for the 42mm, and here's the back of it, as you guys can see here. And you guys notice there is no pull tab here because I took the pull wrap off while I was at the store. And that's because I really want to try on the band very badly, because I was so excited to try this on. So, this is the instructions, how to put the band on, and nobody reads that. And here's the band itself. We got the small / medium band, and here's the medium / large band. That's the one I use. And let me get a Apple Watch to demonstrate this. I have the Series 2 Apple Watch. Let me take the bands out so I can put it on for you guys. So yeah. Okay, let me put this to the side. Okay, guys, let's demonstrate this. Okay. Let me put it on. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, guys. And here's the band on my Apple Watch on my wrist, as you guys can see here. It looks pretty nice to me. And I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing of the Apple Watch Gray Sport Band, the 42mm version. And please make sure to subscribe if you are new for more Adventure Time plush videos and more gaming videos and more tutorials for Apple devices and more unboxings and reviews. And please comment and rate this video, and please turn your notifications on if you subscribe for more videos from me. And now, this will be Bosko signing off, guys, and peace out. Bye, guys.